that's the dog. Pat has some gum. Yum, said dog. Dogs love gum. Pat said, cats love gum too. They eat it all up. And that is the gum. And they say yum. And gummy no more. Next, dog says, let's sing. They sing, la la la. I love this, said cat. It is fun to do. We play, baby. We play. Cat and dog play too. Next, cat says, let's count. They do. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is fun, baby. It is fun. Cat and dog love it, and I love it too. Cat said, oh wait, cat said they play.
Didn't show us that picture.
What? Oh, sorry for the picture. I can show you. And they say 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat said, what do we do now? Maybe we can play. Play what? Said cat. I don't know, dog said. We can jump. They are jumping. That looks fun, I say to myself. And then it says jump. Okay, last page. Oh, not last page, sorry. Oh, wait. Let's eat, dog says. Okay, they get ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. That looks good, I say to myself. Then they say yum, yum. That's the ice cream, that's dog, cat. And that's some clouds. You don't know what clouds are. You're a baby watching this. Last, they nap. It sounds like zzz. Good night. Goodbye, dog. Goodbye, cat. The end. Thank you. Thank you for listening to my book.